a place that you've always wanted to go to. Whether it's Tokyo or Oslo to go see the Northern Lights. What if we're able to create trips and then people who are like-minded join those trips and then they can create these shared moments? When it's all said and done, the only thing that's going to matter are those moments that you share with people. And that's how WiGo came to be.
WiGo is a movement. It's a group travel experience.
WiGo is a marketplace for group trips and group vacations.
It's centered around connecting people.
The app allows you to find these people.
And travel and learn and discover with them.
Being able to connect with people and just enjoy life for what it is.
I'm planning a trip to Croatia,
Medellin,
whitewater rafting in the Grand Canyon,
Hawaii.
Portugal.
The possibilities are endless.
You're going to get to live real, raw, and authentically and share those moments with other people who